Hiya.
Surprised?
Very.
Thanks for coming.
Everything okay?
You might say so. This is funny. I'm not sure how to begin. You know how our minds play tricks on us.
Tell me about it.
Well, mine did a real number on me. Some part of me heard what you had to say after the show that night, that you were different. But I didn't want to listen. I was afraid to trust you. But I've been thinking about it.
Listen, there's more for me to say. I maybe rushed into things. I thought...
Wait a minute. What are you saying?
I'm saying... I thought I could be there for you, Mary Jane. But I can't. My mind was playing tricks too.
Do you love me or not?
I don't.
You don't. Kiss me.
Kiss you.
I need to know something. Just one kiss. What's happening?
Peter Parker. And the girlfriend.
What do you want?
I want you to find your friend, Spider-Man. Tell him to meet me at the West Side Tower at 3 o'clock.
Well, I don't know where he is.
Find him. Or I'll peel the flesh off her bones.
If you lay one finger on her...
You'll do what?